What do cucumbers do to your eyes? You can apply 2 slices of freshly cut cucumber onto your eye area to help reduce the appearance of under-eye darkness and puffiness. Live Cells Under Eye Cream also works in this way to reduce and cool your under eyes. You can soak 2 cotton balls in the cucumber juice and apply it to your eyes. Grated cucumbers can treat freckles and even other blemishes. You can also apply cucumber juice to your face to treat freckles and age spots, because of the mild bleaching properties. When it comes to putting products on your eyes, it is best to always make sure you use clean hands. Anytime you touch your eyes, you are placing yourself at a risk of infection. When you apply eye products, make sure to use ones with applicators. Applicators can minimize the risk of infection. Applicators also reduce the risk of developing acne from the spread of bacteria. Putting cucumbers on your eyes is generally a safe practice, but always make sure to use clean hands. You can also choose to buy cucumbers that are organic, to further promote the health of your skin and of the environment. Cucumbers can also be wonderful for your skin when eaten in your diet. Because of its rich water content, it is low in calories. Cucumbers are also high in vitamin C, which we know is essential for keeping the skin healthy. Eat cucumbers and apply them to your skin to reap double the benefits.